Hey folks, Redbeard here, Tom with Toyota here in Whitestown, Indiana. Today I'm sitting in the brand new 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited Platinum. Man, this thing's awesome. Well, today I'm going to go over the climate control system and how to use everything on that. If you like this video, give me one of those. Also, make sure you subscribe and hit your bell notifications so you know when the latest content's coming out. If you got any questions whatsoever, my contact information's in the box below. Feel free to contact me directly or leave comments down there as well, and I'll answer those very quickly. And now, let's do it. There's also, if you hit this option button right here, you have the smart system so that if someone is not sitting in the front of the vehicle and the air is on, it'll actually block air to these front vents to increase further the efficiency of the vehicle. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the subscribe button, give us a big thumbs up, and hit your bell notifications. And again, if you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to leave a comment below or contact me directly. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.